In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the bookmarks menu in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful Firefox customization that makes your favorite websites easier to access, saves time, and keeps your browser more organized. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. This opens the main Firefox menu with several options for customizing your browser. From here, click More Tools and then select Customize Toolbar. This will open the Firefox customization page where you can change what buttons and menus appear in your browser. Now scroll or look toward the bottom of the page until you find the Bookmarks Toolbar option. This is the part that lets you show the Bookmarks menu where it is easiest for you to access. Click and drag the Bookmarks Toolbar option to the place where you want it to appear. You can place it in a spot that feels comfortable and easy to reach every day. After you drag it to the correct location, click Done to save your changes. Firefox will apply the new layout right away, and your bookmarks menu will now be available where you placed it. That's it. You've successfully added the bookmarks menu in Firefox. Now your saved sites are much easier to reach whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial.